V gang, 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 what it is. I know y'all ain't had one of the patented intros in a little bit, but we finna change that. Y'all see the bodyguard back there. Y'all already see how I'm coming, man. So we finna get y'all one of them nice patented cold starts. It is still cold out here, but it's getting better, man. It's a good 45 out here today, I'll say. Nice and sunny. I really can deal with any type of day as long as it's sunny, man. And it's sunny out here. We even got a couple sunny days, man. All of this snow is melting. Y'all see it. Couldn't see the streets or the driveway. None of that for a very long time. But I'm finna stop all this talking. Get y'all this cold start that y'all want. Bodyguard right there, y'all. Yes, sir. Got puddles all in the garage. Whoo. So I ain't figured out yet how I'm gonna do my in the car streaming. Cause I really don't want to be holding this thing. You know, I switched to the Canon SX740 HS. I don't know what none of that mean, but it's a decent camera. Y'all see the pretties. Y'all see the pretties up there, man. We under the stars even there in the daytime, baby. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, I got a little bit of business to take care of today. I know I ain't really gave y'all no real good vlog. It's been a lot of videos of just visuals, pretty much. Visuals are just visuals, pretty much, with a track behind it, man. It's been so loud at these shows and all that, but I'm gonna give y'all a decent little vlog today. Nothing too crazy, man. We gonna go and get, you know, tire pressure check, make sure all the tires is good. Go get the oil change at the dealership. I don't know if y'all can see that. See that Mook in the V back there? I should have showed it while I was outside of the car, but you see how it says Mook in, and then there's a space in the A? That's because I think I rushed when I put that on. I didn't do it correctly, so I went through a car wash, and yeah, them joints got ripped clean off. So I gotta go pick up a new sticker today. My man gonna take care of me. I already hollered at him. He gonna take care of me. I forgot the name of the place, but when I get there, I'll show y'all. Done seen it before in my older video, my last sticker video. You seen it or whatever, and y'all see the drip. You know what I'm saying? We ain't playing with them, man. I do want to say shout out to all my new subscribers. We up to 212. We getting up there, man. We need more though, man. We need more people talking about Mook in the V, what Mook in the V is doing, man. Everybody need to come on board. People are watching the videos but not subscribing, man. So just remember, as soon as you click onto the video, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. I'm gonna start stressing it a little bit more while I'm sitting here letting the vehicle warm up, man. It's 34 degrees outside. I thought it was 40 something, but it's 34. But yeah, man, I'm gonna hit the dealership, make sure the tires is good, get an oil change, go get my sticker. And if you're wondering why I'm doing that today, is because this weekend we got Rail to Rail car show out in Arkansas, man. It's gonna be bananas. We coming out there, we shutting the city down. It is what it is, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm gonna get on the road, and yeah, so I'm gonna cut it back on when I get to the sticker shop, man. Gang. Mancari's, man, getting this work done to the Jeep. Walk around here and look at some of these vehicles out here. Every time you come up here to get a service, man, you ready to buy something else. Got the Ram 1500s here. I think these are the new joints. Sitting kind of low. I shouldn't be this high up on it. This one's sitting up right. It's a 2500 right here though. Oh, this sports, that's why. don't know how I feel about these Gladiators, man. If you got them sitting up on something, they'd be nice, but that thing sound like an electric car. Y'all see the inside? Not that good. Then you got this little tiny, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, it just ain't for me. I got a bunch of them here though. If y'all want one, Mancari's, come holla at them. You see the inside of that? See it a little bit there. I ain't seen no Trackhawks on the grounds. They probably got one hidden somewhere. They got a couple wide body Hellcats on the inside, man. Joint's crazy, boy. Be making me want to go buy me a Hellcat. It's a GT right there, which is like the all-wheel drive version of it. It's a V6, dope. Got a Scatty right here. Cloth interior. Got so many packages with the same car though, man. All they doing is just changing. Look, this is a Daytona. All they doing is just changing the name and then do a little bit different to the inside, switching it up. That right there got the nice Daytona seats in there with the suede and leather. You know what I'm saying? Full price. 26,000, come get you a 300. Y'all see where we at though, right? Mancari's. You're in the Chicagoland area. You done seen a car that say Mancari's on the license plates. We done bumped into a cat over here. Red interior. Maroon interior. Carbon fiber in there. Can y'all see that? This joint nasty. It's a monster and it's wide body. And it's wide body. 392 wide body over here. Oh, they be doing the little pink at the bottom. I don't be liking that, man. New 300s do be looking kind of decent, man. Wasn't a fan of 300 for a little while, but these ones right here, man, I ride one of them. Not bad. It's the fake SRT right here. The Limited X. I got all the stuff that the SRT got on it. Except for the wheels. Interior is the same. And the hood is the same. Front end, all the same. Well, actually, I'm lying. They don't got the vents right there. Like the new ones, because it's a newer one. It's a 2020. And then the new one's got the little vents in the front. And the lights on the bottom. They not right here. They down there. And also it's a 5.7 in here, not the 6.4. So that's the fake one. They thought they had you. Still a nice vehicle though. Me right here, what type of Rango is this? The inside of that joint. I'm gonna be one of them 5.7 Rangos. Let's see what the back of it say. RT 5.7 in there. That's just like the Limited XG. That's the one right here though. Wide body cat. Carbon fiber stripes on it. Y'all can see that red interior on the inside.
Jerry from Mancari, you have a guest at my desk. Jerry, come on down.
So we up out of there, gang. Got the tires rotated, oil change, and I got a bad tire that's it's not even losing air actually. It's got a nail in it. It's not losing air though. It's been riding fine for months now, But I got all that covered, man. If you get one of these high power SRT vehicles, anything high performance vehicle, and you don't get that extra package to have all that stuff taken care of, you will be. Where they at? Ooh, that almost made me want to turn around right there. Buddy just scared me with hitting his exhaust. Almost. I ain't caught no action in a minute. We in Arkansas in the Mamba, so you know what time it is, boy. I'm at anybody's head. You know what I'm saying? But how's the lighting in here? Can y'all see it, King? Still learning this camera thing out, man. But yeah, man. What was I saying? Yeah, you're gonna be out of an arm and a leg, man, because just the oil change alone is like $120, $120. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you need what? An oil change every 3 months. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be spending all that. I should have went to that Speedway right there, man. Running my damn mouth. I should have went to that Speedway because I need some gas. But yeah, and then each one of my tires is $614. You know what I'm saying? That's dead, people. I'm not spending all that to get new tires. I got brand new tires all the way around. I'm not spending that $614 for each one of them. No, I'm already giving y'all arm and a leg for the car itself. It's not really arm and leg because I got good credit, but it's still some money that I'm giving y'all, bro. I'm not paying y'all nothing extra. Y'all getting this money, and that's that. You feel me? But yeah, man, we loose now, man. We got some good clean oil in here, man. We straight. We got the tires rotated. We ready to put some miles on them. We finna do what it do, man. Tomorrow we out of here, man. They didn't have the tire in today, which they usually have the tire in, because it's a tire that's on pretty much all of the Jeeps, all of the Durangos, all of the, you know what I'm saying? They usually got it in, is my point. And they didn't. So they ordered one, and they said, I keep on looking up here, man. I'm supposed to be looking right there at the lens. My bad. I'm still getting used to it. They were saying, basically, they ordered one and it could be here today sometime, and I could bring it back up here and get it done today, or I could just come in the morning and get it done. Now that's gonna depend, because they probably don't open up until like 9 or something like that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll get out there like 6, like 5, 6 if I do that. I need, I was planning on leaving early and getting up out of here, man, getting out there while it's still, you know what I mean, around this time, 1, 2, 3 in the afternoon. You know what I'm saying? See what Arkansas hitting for before the car show on Saturday or whatever. But we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see what they talking about. We're gonna see what they talking about. I might run back up here today, get the tire switched out, do whoop the bam or whatever. Or I might just wait until I come back, man. You know, worst case scenario, something go wrong, I got a spare tire in the back. You know, it is what it is type time. But yeah, I'm just talking, man. I'm rambling a little bit. Man, I hope the camera wasn't bogus like that whole time. But yeah, man, I'm finna do a little bit of cruising. If anything interesting pops up, you know that y'all will be the first to see it. And just like that, I'm gone.